Hi, here's Renee, and I just wanted to tell you that tomorrow the Global XR conference is taking place. So join us on December 1st, directly at lunchtime at noon at 12 o'clock UTC or 2 p.m. Central European Time. And I'm very honored to actually kick it off with my keynote about the future of computing. And we will talk about spatial computing with all these amazing devices and computer vision AI that allows us to sense the world around us and provide some really meaningful experiences. And of course, there's no way we could not talk about the metaverse these days, especially in that context. And I actually tried to break it down a little bit into different categories: virtual metaverse, real world metaverse, enterprise metaverse, and give you some examples what's already happening, including some interesting things with a metaverse economy we already see. And then in the second part, we will focus on quantum computing, which might also play an important role for metaverse, large simulations, and so on, and the computational power we get with quantum computing. I will start with the basics so we all know how quantum computers actually work, and then I will show lots of impactful things that can already be achieved today, like with quantum machine learning, quantum inspired optimization, and of course quantum security, which provides a big opportunity but is also a threat for our current cryptography. And we will look at also some numbers that might estimate how long it will take until Q-Day happen, the day when quantum advantage will be here and today's cryptography will be obsolete. So you don't want to miss that, to make sure all of your data is nice, tightly secured until that happens. So again, join us on December 1st at lunchtime, 12 o'clock UTC, 2 p.m. Central European Time, and hope to see you there. Until then, take care, and until tomorrow, bye-bye.